Welcome to my DeepBrain AI product review. If you're thinking about signing up for DeepBrain AI, you're going to want to watch this video first. I've been testing out this AI video creation tool for a couple of months now, and in this video I'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about DeepBrain AI before you sign up, including its features, my personal experience after 2 months on the platform, and the pros and cons. And to be completely transparent, DeepBrain AI is not a perfect AI video creation tool. However, I've chosen to continue using it myself rather than using a different tool, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video you decide you want to try out DeepBrain AI, you can save some money by using the discount link in the video description. So without further ado, here's everything you need to know about DeepBrain AI. First off, DeepBrain AI is an AI video creation tool that was designed to make it easier for creators to produce high-quality video content without needing to be on camera themselves. This is a game changer for many of us, especially for online business owners like myself who may be camera shy or simply don't have the time to shoot and edit videos. DeepBrain AI stands out for several reasons. For starters, it allows you to create lifelike talking avatars that can deliver any message you want with surprisingly natural gestures and voices. The platform offers a wide range of avatars to choose from, ensuring diversity and inclusivity. You can select avatars based on gender, age, and even attire, which adds a personal touch to your videos. Another impressive feature is its text-to-speech engine. The voices are some of the most natural I've heard in the AI space, with a variety of languages and accents available. This means you can reach a global audience without breaking a sweat. Plus, the ability to turn any script into a fully animated video in minutes is nothing short of remarkable. Whether it's a blog post, an article, or a product review, DeepBrain AI can bring your content to life. The platform's user interface is intuitive. Whether you're a tech whiz or someone who's not so tech savvy, you'll find navigating through the various features a breeze. From selecting avatars and templates to editing text and choosing background music, every step is straightforward. The platform also offers a green screen feature, allowing you to integrate your avatar into your videos seamlessly. Now let's talk about how I use the tool and my experience with it. As an online business owner, I'm constantly looking for ways to engage my audience without spending hours filming and editing. I use DeepBrain AI to create several videos ranging from product reviews to educational content. The feedback from my audience was overwhelmingly positive. They loved the innovation and the clarity of the message. The video helped in driving more engagement and ultimately conversions. However, it wasn't all perfect. One of the main issues I encountered was the limited control over the creative process. While DeepBrain AI offers a range of customization options, there's a ceiling to how much you can personalize your videos. For creatives who love to tinker with every little detail, this could be a bit of a setback. Also, the pricing can be a bit steep for small business owners or individual creators on a tight budget. But I've got some good news. I found a special discount link that made the decision a lot easier for me. The regular pricing, while a bit high, reflects the quality and capabilities of the platform. However, with the discount, it feels like a steal. Plus, the investment paid off. The increase in engagement and conversions I witnessed after using DeepBrain AI more than made up for the cost. And to make your life easier, I've placed this discount link in the description of the video. It will save you quite a bit of money, and trust me, the tool itself is well worth the price, even without the discount. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching.